So we've got this lovely purse here by Marc Jacobs, but check this out. The handle, the edge, it's all coming off, it's peeling off. So we're gonna just fix that. My goodness, look at that. So we're gonna just peel this stuff off. Got some sandpaper here. We're just gonna scuff up the edge, smooth out any high spots. I want to make this as narrow as possible. The wider it is, the wider your repair is going to be. So we just want to gather these together a little bit. So I'm going to use this Permatex vinyl and leather repair kit. We're going to use this adhesive and filler to basically prep the leather and to give it a really good surface to stick to. Very thin coat. So this is the brown that it comes with, and as you can see, it's a little bit too dark. I'm going to brighten it up a little bit by mixing it with some white. And I might need to warm it up a little bit by mixing in a bit of yellow. So we're going to mix it up. Grab a glob. Grab a smaller glob here of the white. And let's see how that looks. We got a long ways to go. More white. You see how it needs to be warmed? So, working with color takes time. So don't be afraid to just go trial and error. It's like working with marshmallow cream. This stuff is thick. How are we doing here? Oh, we got a ways to go, don't we? Warmer. See that? Warmer still, but probably red. All right, we got a little red here. That stuff is bright. Okay, we're getting close. Look at that, it's getting close. A little more yellow. Oh man, that is looking really good. All right, it's looking really close, but I'm gonna darken it up a little more dark brown. All right, let's give it a test. Check the links in the description below for this repair kit. We'll get you set up. You can do your own work. That looks pretty dang good. I'll bet it dries down darker. All right, more dark brown. How's this? A little better? All right, so I'm going to use a heat gun here to force warm air onto the repair. All right, now that it's cured, I want to just reassess this. It looks to me that it's still a little bit light and a little bit cold. I'm going to add a little bit more of the red and yellow. So it's important not to use the same toothpick for all of your color mixing because you don't want to recontaminate your original colors. So a red one for the red pot, yellow for the yellow pot, brown for the brown pot, and then I've got this one that I'm using for mixing. Getting closer. Damn, that looks a lot better. Still could be a little more brown, maybe a little more warm. All right, how's that look? Are we there yet? All right, fresh start here. A little blending. Let's Just like frosting a cake, huh? All right, I couldn't leave well enough alone. I want it darker and I want it warmer. Guess the lesson here is just go easy on the white. My goodness, it did a lot. We got enough of this stuff to do a few purses now. How's our color now? Is it changing any? It's got to be changing. More yellow. More yellow. I feel like a chocolatier here. How's that? See the difference? It's just a little bit warmer. So we're blending up this way, going down here a little. You know what? I think I'm done. This is going to be seldom seen. Nobody's going to scrutinize it. And the purse will be fixed. I like the toothpick because it fits the shape really well and it can bulk up along the sides. You're a trooper for watching this video all the way through. But I gotta tell you, it takes patience. Mixing paint, getting it right on from other colors, it takes effort. And you just mix a little and try it, and mix a little and try it. And the finished result's gonna show. You know, this isn't just a quick repair, this is a restoration. And if this purse is gonna maintain its value over the years, it should be kept up, and this is the way to do it. So I definitely want to hint at taking your time with these little things. Details, they add up. You know, you do a schlocky job here, and it's going to show. So go easy, take your time. You'll get it. The results will show. You'll love it. Oh, here's a little holiday. We're going to fill that in. The great stuff about this is you can bulk it up, add another layer. I mean, it is all the same color. rest. Pretty good. All right, so it looks great. It's all dried, it's cured. The color's good. The shape is pretty good. It looks a lot better, but you know what? It's a bit glossy. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna take a little scrub pad here, and we're just gonna lightly scrape off the shine. We're just gonna dull it down. Super soft, don't go hard. I'm pretty good with that. There you go. Find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, consider subscribing. Cheers.